Hey squad, it's me Cam,
Kian.
and today we're going to play a game of flavour roulette. And if you don't know what that is, it's quite simple. You get yourself a card, and whatever the number says, you eat that tin. The only problem is we don't know what's in the tins, and they're all so cold. What are we going to do, Kian?
I don't know.
Oh my god! Okay, so these are the tins and there are spoons. I'm going for the gold spoon, Kian. I'm gonna win.
No, I'm going for the gold spoon.
Oh, fine, whatever. And these are the cards. All right, Kian, you're younger, so you can pick the first card. Go. Oh, right. I'll take this one. Right, pick a card. I'll have this one then, and then pick another one. Right, I'll have that. All right, Kian, what cards did you get?
I got 1, 6, 5.
Oh, what does that mean? That means that I must have been left with 4, 3, and 2. Well, what can I say? 4, 3, 2. Let's crack these babies open.
Ooh.
All right, so we've got our tins selected. I've got 2, 4, and 3. And Kian, what have you got?
1, 5, 6.
Okay, so who do you want to go first? Okay, I'll open tin number 2. Can't be that bad. So this one's a cheeky ring pull. Oh,
Beans.
it's cold beans.
Oh.
Cold beans can't be that bad.
Oh, you're going to eat cold beans.
Oh, God, I'm good.
He's not spitting it out, don't worry.
Oh, God, it's so horrible. Beans are meant to be warm on
To the
toast.
side.
Yeah. Then you open one, Kian.
Oh, does it have a wrinkle? Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Ooh, strawberries. Show them to the
Kian got
camera.
strawberries. Ugh. Lucky boy. What do they smell like?
Yeah. Is that in jam? It smells like jam.
There's nothing quite like homemade jam. I'm starting off with a kilo of strawberries. Now,
How was that? So I'm going to open up tin number 3.
Put these to the side. I like jam, so that's why I like them.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Custard. Cold custard.
Oh, I've got to use the bean spoon. Oh, right. Time to get some beanie custard.
Beanie custard, Mr. Bean custard.
Look at that.
Oh wait, no, cold
It's not even
custard.
focusing.
Cold custard is actually nice. Is it nice with beans on?
No.
Oh. Let's put that to the side. Oh, look at that! Got beans in. Ugh. Don't spit it out.
Oh, all right, Kian, what are you doing next?
5. It has one of these. What do I have here? Oh, spaghetti.
Oh, he's got spaghetti hoops, and they
Cold
are
spaghetti.
cold. Mmm. Yum, yum.
I'll take a spoonful.
Go on, then. You better get some spaghetti on that. That's the sauce.
Yeah, no, I can't get some spaghetti. That will do just one.
No, I think the squad want to see you eat another noodle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One noodle and I'll get fat right. Look at this.
Okay, I'm going to open up my final one. I've had beans, I've had custard. So the next one, there's 3 good ones and 3 bad ones. And this one is going to be a good one because I've had 1 good one so far. So,
What's that?
I don't know what this is.
Oh, I might know what it is. No, I might know what it is.
What is it?
Like that grilled thing.
Oh, what is that? It looks like dog food.
Chum is satisfying meaty nourishment.
I can't eat that. This isn't for people. Who eats this?
It's for people. It's in a tin.
Do I have to eat the whole thing?
Yes. I think the squad want to see ya. The whole thing. The squad wants to see ya. Eat the whole thing, don't you? Yeah, you do. Oh. Is it nice?
Oh. It tastes like dog food.
You can't spit it out. You can't spit. Don't worry, guys. He didn't spit it out. My last one. I'm gonna open my last one.
I hope you get something really bad. Because we've only had 2 bad ones.
Wait.
No, we didn't. We've only had like 2 good ones.
Wait.
No way!
Was custard good or bad?
Of course custard's good. How can custard be bad? Custard's amazing.
Good. I hope this one's a good one. Oh.
Oh! Yeah, that is totally chicken soup. He's got cold chicken soup.
No. You mean rice pudding?
You got rice pudding.
Yeah.
Ugh, eat it. You can't eat rice pudding cold anyway. It needs to be warm. I hate this game. I'm leaving. Kian, what are you doing?
Not eat the food.
Yeah, but dude, it's got like tomato sauce and stuff in there. Come on, man. This is minging. We can't eat all this. Kian, you're such a weirdo, man. Yo, Kian, the squad want to see you put one of them noodle things, spaghettis, in the rice pudding and eat it. Can you do it? Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Wait, well, alright. Yeah. 2 actually. Or maybe 3. Or maybe 4.
And he got them off the table as well, so they got table germs. Ew, gross. Put them in the rice pudding then. Gross.
But I think I got all the good ones, you know, rice pudding, spaghetti, strawberries, good.
Please, I got custard, so I'm the obvious winner.
What about the dog food? Okay, squad, you comment down below to see who won.
And if this video gets over 100 likes, me and Kian will do another flavour roulette, but this time with a twist. Flavour roulette, ice lolly edition. I've been Cam.
I know, Kian.
See you later, squad.